Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here. Down on the med again. I'll flip you around in a minute, show you where exactly. Bulldog there. Got the open top tour bus. That'll be a good thing to go on today with the weather we've got. And Sue and a man-like haircut. I'm winding you up, Sue, because Spanish Mother's Day tomorrow, guys, so getting all the nasty out of me. And you've got a nice Hummer there. That looks nice. Gonna take a walk up Avenida de Europa, show you where the Alsa bus does pickups, drop-offs, all that. Gambo bar there. Nice bar. Gonna see if I can get the temperature, if that's gonna come out. Come on. I swear I spend most of my time stood here looking at these temperature readers, and after time, guys, they don't even tell you the blooming temperature. I can't even see it in my sunglasses, to be honest, either. Come on. Ah, sod it. Ain't gonna tell us today, guys. Thai massage Benidorm there. Traditional Thai massage. €60 for 60 minutes. €30 30 minutes. Not bad, that. And the pizza factory as well. Supposedly run a Benidorm's best Italian restaurants. If that's coming up, you can pause it to read it. God, I better move on, because all that's making me hungry. So it is, of course, another great day here in the sun-kissed paradise that is Benidorm. They have Aries Burger Bar, is that? Yeah. Aries. Say it however you like. Across the road, Caro Girona, Kebabish King. Now they are popping up everywhere, guys. These Kebabish Kings are quite a big brand of kebab shop here in Benidorm, and I will just say this, the kebabs are absolute bloody shite. If you want a good kebab, there's a place further down Caro Girona opposite Hotel California and Western Saloon. Going there, he does a good kebab. Or if you're not really afraid to walk a bit further out, opposite Flamingo Oasis Hotel, Alibaba's, pop in. He'll do a great kebab. So the Alsa bus ticket office is just down in that area, and it does basically do your Alicante airport pickups and drop-offs, and it came in quite some use when we first moved to Benidorm, even though we did have a sort of issue with it. What happened is the first one come, took one look at Mum in the wheelchair, refused to actually let us on the bus, then drove off. And while then we twigged, he probably thought that she needed to actually go on the bus in the wheelchair. And I think what he was saying is that he hadn't got a wheelchair lift, so sort of impossible. So we had to wait till the next one came round, fold up Mum's wheelchair so he could see it can go underneath the bus. And thankfully, he let us on then. That's his history. And it's coming to show that these kebabish places are big in Benidorm. Another one here, guys, on corner of Calais. Wait, no. Oh God, that's the road called. What's the road called? I know it. Calais Levante, I want to say. Yeah, Calais Levante. On the corner, another big, massive kebabish kebabish restaurant, I mean. They make stuff look nice. So whether it not depends on when you go to, maybe. Or is that the case with the food? I don't know. But I mean, they are everywhere. They are quite a popular place. But my personal opinion, stick to our mate Ali Barbar's. He knows us, we know him, he treats us well. And I mean, just to show you how big the place is, starts down there on the corner, all the way up here. Probably one of the biggest kebab restaurants in Benidorm. And I've just thought, the lads who own kebabish are probably the ones who had that big wedding the other week with all the supercars cruising up and down by us. Yeah, probably. Because I mean, they've got to have a lot of money if they're not opening one up everywhere in Benidorm. Suppose they ain't got one down in Old Park or something. Coming up here now, you've got California Love, Urban Food and Cafe. American themed place. Might try that one day actually. Few places we need to try in Benidorm actually. Anyway, continuing up Avenida de Europa. New sort of British place. Paddington Bar. English breakfast with a salad on. Something I'm never really gonna get used to. Some places in Spain do English breakfast with salad. Weird. I mean, then again, they're probably making it a bit healthy. Anyway, take two are trying to find out the temperature. 24-hour pharmacy here on corner of So again, here on the corner of Calais Beach, is it going to tell us 57 minutes past 1, so 9 to 2, and it's probably not going to tell us. Come on. 4th of April today as well, guys. 4th of May, sorry. May the 4th be with you. God's sake. Don't tell the temperature. Typical. 21.6. Well, does that make any sense, guys? 21.6 degrees.
That one says 20.8.
Well, why's there a point on it? That makes no bloody sense whatsoever. Oh, on 22.9954. Next Benidorm match, CF Benidorm versus CFI Alicante. Come on, Benidorm. There are some great lads who play for Benidorm, talented lads as well, and if you do want to purchase the official real Benidorm kit, there is a sports shop in town on the bottom of the Avenida Rufasa, on that corner there. €60 just for the shirt. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, guys. What a rip-off. And they're just like a Sunday League team, Benidorm. Not really that big of a team. Ain't like they're going up against Barcelona or like going to have a match against Liverpool in the Europa Champions League or out like that. So, I mean, yeah. I'd have understood if it were a Barcelona shirt, but it's not, it's just a Benidorm shirt. On Calais Cheyenne, you do have cheap and cheerful bar down there. Nice bar. Anyway, I'm gonna stop here. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to smash that like, smash subscribe. And as always, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. See you soon.